What is good, everyone? It's your boy Ray J back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick technical analysis of Tesla. I'm going to go over some big pieces of news and articles regarding Tesla. I'm also going to give you guys my stock price prediction for Tesla for tomorrow and the near-term future. I'm also going to be doing the same thing for NEO, ticker symbol NIO. But before I get started and talk about these companies, these amazing companies, I have to mention two quick things. First off, I'm not a financial, legal, or taxation expert, so don't take this as financial, legal, or taxation advice. And also, if you can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this on my stream. It benefits the entire community as a whole. With all that said and done and out of the way, guys, let's look at the 1 day, 1 minute chart of Tesla, and you could see something I did predict, and that is that Tesla would break $800. Repeat, Tesla just broke $800. It reached a high of $806.97 before dropping right back down. Now, that's a big sign. It's indicative of a big move coming up for Tesla in the near term future because it had strong resistance at $800, especially because of the call options market. But look, it's nothing to be worried about. It's nothing to fear because Tesla broke above it and Tesla has even more potential for the near term future. Now, looking at it from a Bollinger Band standpoint, we can see that it hit the upper bands and lower bands quite a bit of times as it was pretty volatile for the day, but not too much. It did end up dropping as low as $776.12 before kind of trading sideways, jumping between levels of resistance and support. And it did close a little bit above the mean price at $781.53 as we anticipated. I did predict that Tesla would reach the $800 range this week, and I wasn't sure if it would close around there. I did predict that Tesla would probably close around the 790s for the end of the week. And I did think that today Tesla would be in the 780s, and I was off by around $10. It was at the low 780s, so I wasn't necessarily close, but I wasn't far off anyways. But overall, my stock price prediction was pretty accurate. I did think that Tesla would break above $800, especially for all the excitement. But overall, it did well, and it did close in the green, up 0.81% for the day, up at $781.53. The RSI data did show a little bit of buying pressure and some strength here and there, but overall, it did end up above the 56, which I think is pretty good, as Tesla typically does have pretty strong closings. So overall, it's doing great. It's up and coming. It's doing strong. And I do want you guys to know something crazy, okay? Look at this. I'm not going to Fine, let me just click on this. The S&P 500, the SPY, it's down 1.29%, okay? And then let me pull up the Nasdaq. It should be around here. The Nasdaq down 2.14%. Tesla though is up 0.81%, which shows that Tesla is not following the market. It's still doing well, and the overall market could have tried to bring Tesla down, but it failed because Tesla is still in the green. Now, why is that going on, and what do I predict is going to happen? Before I talk about that, let's go over some articles. So, Tesla sold a whopping 241,300 cars in the third quarter, while other automakers saw big drops. And despite that, Tesla killed it. It did absolutely insane. People anticipated around 230,000. It literally beat that by over 11,000 cars sold. It's crazy how well Tesla's doing. I mean, I don't even know what to say, guys. A total of 102,000 more vehicles in the same quarter last year. It's the most Tesla has ever sold in a quarter. That's absolutely awesome. In all of 2019, they sold 367,000. Okay. That's just 2019. In this past quarter, they did 241,000. That's absolutely incredible for Tesla. I'm super proud and excited for the company. They're doing so well. And it was also noted that Tesla avoided many similar problems because of us. They're sourcing different semiconductors, and it's just doing so well. Okay, they've improved their assembly line. They've opened new gigafactories, especially in Berlin. They're getting ready to expand to Europe. Tesla is just killing it, guys. And what I think is big about Tesla, and something a little bit sad about Tesla, is the fact that it's a top dog. Now, why is that sad? The sad thing about being, the top of the top of the top is because people tend to have extremely crazy expectations. Okay, people may have expected Tesla to sell 1 million cars, and I'm just literally making up these numbers. And if Tesla ended up selling 999,999, people would still, criticize it, attack it. I don't even know what to say, guys. And you have to zoom out, okay? Look at the bigger picture. 241,000 cars in a quarter. At this rate, they would come close to 1 million per year. Repeat, almost 1 million per year at this rate. I mean, I'm just astonished by this. It's just insane. I do think that Tesla should have broken 800 quite soon, but maybe the overall market brought it down, maybe other factors as well. But it's a-okay. Tesla's up and coming. I do believe they're going to break $800 quite soon, and I'm super super bullish. Okay, they just absolutely killed it. Now, it's also important to know that the NHTSA has projected a petition to investigate Tesla battery fires. Repeat, they rejected it. Now, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration rejected a petition on Monday that is called for an investigation into Tesla's software updates, containing the odds are low that such an inquiry would find any safety issues. So, this is a huge sign for Tesla, guys. The NHTSA is now basically saying that they, based off their analysis, that Teslas are relatively safe, and they're not even going to investigate their software because the odds of Tesla's software causing the fires is extremely low, and they didn't even bother looking into it. Why is that good? It's good because there's more and more confidence that Teslas are safe cars. They're up and coming. They're strong. Their software is amazing. And this wasn't just the Hill. Yahoo News also reported it as well. I mean, it just makes me so happy that people are having more and more and more confidence in Tesla, despite the fact that there were 59 complaints about the Tesla Model S and Model X. I mean, I don't know what to say, guys. Tesla is just killing it. There have been so many good pieces of news coming out, from them using lasers to them extending to the energy sector of Texas to the NHTSA not even wanting to investigate their battery management software because they're super confident that they're not going to find anything. I mean, it's just incredible, guys. Not to mention, I'm going to repeat it: 241,000 cars in Q3. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. I don't even know what else to say, guys. It's just killing it. The last thing about Tesla I'm going to talk about that I saw in the news was the fact that Tesla claims that Rivian is stealing trade secrets about its next gen battery in an expanding lawsuit. So now Rivian and Tesla are fighting it off in courts, and I can't give any legal advice, but this is just a big thing I'm just wanted to mention. I'm not going to go into any details about it. It's not necessarily something too significant right now, but if big things do end up coming, I will go into more depth about it. But I mean, I'm literally speechless right now, guys. I can't even talk. I'm just absolutely blown away with how well this company is doing. Look at how well it has been in the 1 year chart. And what do I predict is going to happen, guys? I believe $800 is coming very, very soon, because if we look at what happened in the 1 day chart, once again, we broke 800. We literally broke it. That just shows that Tesla is going to be ready to break it again, guys. It's coming. It's coming very soon. But I do have to note that the overall market can have effect on Tesla. There could be a lot of negative articles that come out that try to bring it down, but that's not Tesla's fault, because I believe that in the next couple of weeks, if not even this week, Tesla will probably break past 800. I mean, I'm just speechless. I'm just so excited for Tesla. It's just doing so well. With that said and done, guys, for tomorrow specifically, I think that Tesla is going to have another run up to the 790s, consolidate, maybe close around there. I would say the high 780s, because I do think that there was huge news. I do think that there was not a big reaction to the 241,000 cars in Q3. I mean, Tesla should have exploded because of this, but obviously it's Tesla. The media tries to bash it. It doesn't always have the most positive response to like pieces of data or battery days like that, but it's a-okay, guys, because give it some time and eventually $800 is going to come. And I'm more confident than ever that within a short period of time, we're going to break 800. Additionally, guys, when it comes to Neo, our other favorite company out there, Neo was down over 5.6%. And like I said previously, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were down as well. So they brought it down, and I did anticipate that Neo could have some down days, but I didn't think it would drop as low as 33. I thought the support at 34 would hold, but it ended up dropping below that. It dropped as low as $33.28, and it is currently at $33.40, not counting after hours. Once again, down 5.6%. Now, the question is, why is it down? Well, it's very, very interesting what has been happening. Neo released its September and third quarter 2021 data, and its quarterly deliveries exceeded the internal guidance it had revised lower due to supply chain constraints. But while Neo did double its deliveries in the third quarter, basically there was a lot of competition happening in China, and the fact that all the competition makes basically it wasn't the best out there in China just for this quarter. However, NEO is expanding abroad. It has big things coming, but you guys have to remember that NEO is also a positive beta stock, and like I said before, the entire market had quite a bit of a red day today. I mean, Tesla's the exception, but look at the Nasdaq down 2.14%. Look at the S&P 500 down 1.29%. NEO, on the other hand, had good delivery numbers. They're literally expanding to Norway. The ES 8 is getting ready. Their ET7 is getting ready. They're almost ready to expand to Europe. They're up and coming. They're strong. They're doing so well, yet the stock price is dropping. And I mean, I don't know what to say about NEO. I think that eventually it's going to have a big recovery, but it's probably going to just trade sideways for quite some time. But I do think in the near term future, it's going to run right back up to the $35 level of resistance. But that wouldn't be surprising to me. It wouldn't be surprising if it has that big recovery very, very soon, maybe even this week. But I just think that this is an abnormality. It dropping this low is not normal. And I don't see it dropping lower than this, guys. I just feel like there's been so much good news coming out, but if it does drop lower, it would probably be because of the overall market, and that's common. That happens, but it's okay. So the last thing I want to say is that there are going to be times when NEO goes down, Tesla goes down, and people are concerned, but it's not their fault. So for my stock price prediction for NEO, I do think we're going to have a green day tomorrow, and it should be around the $34 level resistance. I do think that's where NEO should close, but guys, it doesn't matter about the short term. You have to remember the long term is what we're in this for. We're in NEO and Tesla for the long terms, and I think their long term futures are extremely, extremely bright. I believe Tesla will break $1,000 by early next year. I believe $800 is coming up very soon. I do believe that it'll break $3,000 by 2025. For NEO, I think NEO is going to break around 40 plus by the end of this year. And I do think that NEO is actually going to go as high as the 60s by early next year, and maybe even come close to breaking 100 by the end of next year. So I'm super bullish for both of these companies. They have insane potential, and it's just a matter of time. So thank you so much for listening as I went over the news and my updates and my technical analysis. And I just want everyone to stay strong, have strong emotions, and never ever let your emotions get the best of you when you are investing. Now, none of this is financial advice, but I just wanted to say take care, guys. Stay strong and never ever give up. NEO and Tesla are the futures, and we are going to win. Thank you and peace out.